Many of us probably own more than one investment property. To place the right tenant to your property can take huge effort and time to get it right. What do you need to be aware of when you try to self-manage your rental property? We have included 10 points in this video for you to run through to help you to build your own workflow to be on top of your property management as a landlord. Number 1. Rental estimate. You can check on realestate.com.au or domain and compare similar properties to have a rough idea, or reach out to real estate agency for a free online rental appraisal so that you have a realistic expectation on the rental income. Number 2. Clean and renovation. To have your property ready, you will need a thorough professional clean and basic renovation. Kitchen and bathroom are very critical to attract your potential tenant. Laundry needs to be well considered too if your property is relatively old. Number 3. Ingoing and outgoing reports. To give evidence of your property condition before and after the tenant moves in and out, an ingoing and outgoing report will ensure you in a stronger negotiation position if dispute occurs in later days. Ingoing and outgoing reports can be just some clear and high-resolution photos. Number 4. Agreement. As a landlord, it is your obligation to sign a standard tenancy agreement with your tenant to address the detailed contractual arrangements such as the length, weekly rent and start date of the tenancy. If you don't have one, you can download online, see links in description. Remember to take a photo of the key collection too. Number 5. Bond. As a landlord, you should charge your tenant 4 weeks' rent as a bond, which should also be lodged with RBO. See links in description. With RBO, you can choose to have a landlord account. Number 6. Vacating the property. When the lease ends, you will need to officially notify your tenant a vacating date in writing if you want to finish the contractual arrangement with your tenant. Notice needs to be 30 days in advance within the lease period, or 90 days in advance if your tenant is in the periodic lease period. For other scenarios, Fair Trading has listed all notice period for you to follow. See links in description. Number 7. Income. You can collect the rent from your tenant on a weekly, fortnightly or monthly basis. Every year, you will also need to pay council rate, water rate and strata etc. Please carefully manage your cash flow. Number 8. Inspection. To make sure your tenant looks after your property well, routine inspections are necessary. You don't want any drama when the tenant moves out. You can run 2 to 4 routine inspections on an annual basis. Number 9. Maintenance and emergency. The property doesn't have to be perfect, however as a landlord, you are responsible for the maintenance if the damages are not caused by the tenant on purpose. Please be aware of certain situations defined as emergency and some of them can be dangerous. You will need to respond to your tenant's request immediately. See links in description for emergency situations. Number 10. Dispute. When the lease ends, your tenant has damaged the property but refused to be responsible for it. You can lodge your dispute with Tribunal Vencat to make a third-party legal decision on the matter. We can see that there a fair portion of the property management tasks are related to the regulations, and that's why you need a property manager who is licensed to professionally does that. Additionally, a good property manager can save you cost and time on tradesman liaising, be sensible on the market movement, increase retention rate of a good tenant and deal with tricky conversation if you have already had a busy and stressful life. At Atlas Real Estate, we have top-performing property managers who are on top of the market update and licensed and trained to manage properties, buildings and strata. With this 3-bedroom sub-penthouse located in Macquarie Park, our team successfully leased it within just 1 week. If you are looking for top Sydney property managers to manage your investment property, please don't hesitate, reach out to us today. We also provide free rental appraisal and valuation online. Email us for free appraisal. See links in description for our contact details. For more property and real estate related content, subscribe to our channel and give our video a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video.